Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add a user registration system in WordPress website. So let's just begin. To add the user registration system in the WordPress, what we need to do, we have to install the plugin here. So for that, as we know, we have to go inside the add a new plugin. And from here, what I need to do, I have to search for Ultimate Membership plugin here. Okay, so as you can see here that we have the Ultimate Member, so we have to install this. So let's click here. And now what we need to do, we have to activate this as well. Okay, so after installing the Ultimate Member, let's just go there. And as you can see this, we have our dashboard of the Ultimate Member. So in the users overview, we have the single user, and let's just explore the other options in the Ultimate Member. Okay, so let's click on the settings now. So in the settings, as you can see here that we have the general setting, we have the access, we have the email, appearance, missed, install info, override template, and secure. Okay, so in the general, as you can see this, we have the pages here. So in the pages, we have the user page, login, register, members, logout, and you can also see the other options here. Okay, so from here, we can actually create the pages for our website, just like the user profile, account, registration, login, password, reset. Okay, all I need to do is to click on the create pages here, and Ultimate Member will automatically create all of the pages here. Okay, so now you can see this for the user page. We have the user, we have the login, register, members, logout, account, and the password reset. So we have all of these pages here. So let's click on the save at the moment. Okay, so after the general settings, we have the access. So let's click here. So in the access, as you can see, is we have these options here. We have the global site access, and you can also see the other options here. So we won't be doing any modifications in these options here. Okay, so let's click on the email now. So in the email, as you can see this, we have the account welcome email, we have the account activation email, and you can also see the other options here. So if I want to activate the account activation email, all I need to do is to click here. And from here, I just need to enable the account activation email. So let's click here. And you can see this, we have the email here, we have the subject line, and we have the message body. So you can simply modify this if you want to, but I will keep the subject line and the message body like this. So let's click on the save changes. Okay, so we have activated the account activation email. Okay, so we have the appearance then. So in the appearance, we have the profile default template, we have the profile maximum width, we have the profile area, and you can also see the other options here which you can play around. Okay, so let's go inside the MISC now. So as you can see this, we have the profile title, user profile title. After that, we have the meta description of the user profile, and you can also see the other options here as well. Okay, so now let's go inside the forms of the Ultimate Member. So from here, as you can see this, we have the default registration, default login, and the profile form. So the pages that we have created with the help of Ultimate Member have all of these forms. But if you want to create your own form, you can simply create it from here. Okay, so let's click on the user roles now. Now in the user roles, as you can see this, we have the subscriber, we have the editor, we have the contributor, author, and the administrator. So if you want to add a new user role, you can simply do it from here. Okay, and in the last, we have the member directories. So in the member directories, we only have a single directory at the moment. And if you want to create the new directory, you can simply create it from here. Okay, so now let's just go inside our website, and you won't be able to see any option of the login, register, or the logout here. So how can we add all of these options? We have to go back, and here what I need to do, I have to go inside the appearance, and in the appearance, I have to click on the menus. So in the menus, as you can see this, we have the two menu items at the moment. So I'll simply delete this one. So let's click on the remove. Now, as you can see this, we have the password reset, we have the account, logout, member, register, login, and we also have the user. Okay, so what I need now, I actually want to go here with the account, logout, and register, and login as well. Okay, so I want to go with 4 of these options here. So let's click on the add to menu. All right, so we have the account, logout, register, and the login. Okay, so let's click on the account now. Okay, so as you can see this, who can see this menu link? So we have to change the value to only the people or the users who are logged in. Okay, so it could be the subscriber. So let's click on the subscriber here, and now let's click on the logout. So as we know that only the person who can log out is the user who have already logged in. So I will simply click here and click on the logged in user. It can be the subscriber again, but I will simply uncheck the value here. Okay, so after that we have the register. Okay, so in the register, who can see this menu link? It should be everyone. And in the last, we have the logged in. So who can see this menu link? So it should be the user who are logged out. All right, so now let's click on the save menu. Now what I need to do, let's just go back to our website, refresh the page. Now you will be able to see the option of account, logout and register. So as I'm already logged in into my account as the admin, so that is why you won't be able to see the option of the login. Okay, so if I just click on the account here, you will be able to see the account here. So in the account, we have the change password, we have the privacy, and we have the delete account. You can see the email, username, first name, and the last name. Now I can simply log out from here. Okay, so now let's just copy the URL from here. And I would like to open up a new browser. Let's just paste the URL here. And now you will be able to see the option of register and the login only. So if I just click on the register now, you can see here that from here, we can simply register our new account. Okay, so let's fill up the values here. All right, so after filling up the detail, so let's click on the register. Now you will be able to see that we have created the account here. And in the similar way, I can log out from my account. And now I can also log in into my user account from here as well. Okay, so if I just write down the name here and write down the password here, click on the login. Now you can see this, we are inside the user account, and this is how you can add a user registration system in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.